machine is always already done, as you can see. Now just test it basically. Okay, let's try to convert this old sewing machine to a mini drill. The things you need I'll provide with the name, so you can buy it online from eBay or any other source. So let's get started. Okay, the things required is a mini chunk. You can find it online, and a old battery from your laptop battery, or you can buy it online as well. A BMS circuit for charging, and with that, of course, the main machine, a broken trimmer. Now, first thing is in my case, I have to remove the motor from it, and of that motor, I have to remove, you can say, file the front end of the motor so you can connect it directly to the chunk. Because my chunk head is little smaller than this. So for this case, I have to file the front end. As you can see, I filed it already. Now I have to connect the chunk on it, and then we will reassemble the machine as it is. Use this other battery and BMS because my machine is not working. I have to change the circuit as well. Okay, here we install the chunk and we place the motor back in. Now I have to place the battery here and we close this one and a button here so we can use it for the purpose we made it. So on next step, I'm gonna place a battery and I'm gonna place the circuit here. As you can see, I connect the button here so we can try it. As you can see, it's more powerful. Okay, now we have to assemble this box back in with the charging port and this button on the top here. I'll be back once it's complete. Machine is always already done, as you can see. Now just test it basically.